SADC has moved a gear up towards fresh elections in Zimbabwe after a successful meeting with the Zimbabwe main opposition leader Nelson Chamisa. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Yes, the SADC Secretariat had a successful meeting with the Zimbabwe opposition leader Nelson Chamisa. Chamisa submitted that he was more interested in SADC mediation in the Zimbabwe political crisis, a process he believes should produce a traditional authority that will lead Zimbabwe into fresh elections. It's all falling in place as SADC has since communicated this to the Harare administration 2 weeks ago. It is important to note that Nelson Chamisa is not directing SADC processes. SADC due processes to resolve the political crisis in Zimbabwe brought about by the flawed electoral process, which SADC dismissed as falling short of the revised SADC guidelines and principles of democratic election, are not affected by what Nelson Chamisa or Emmerson Mnangagwa thinks or do. SADC is just briefing them on the stages in the ongoing process to correct the illegitimacy in Harare. They briefed Mnangagwa and they have now briefed the main opposition leader in Zimbabwe. SADC is operating within its mandate. This is today's news about SADC meeting with Nelson Chamisa to brief him on the stages in the ongoing process to correct the illegitimacy in Harare. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.